Hello, everybody, and welcome to In Trust with Nicole. We're here to answer all of your questions regarding estates, wills, and trust in these short videos. So hopefully, these are easily digestible snippets of information that you can take with you as you build your education on estates, trust, and wills. So today's question comes from Jacob, and Jacob is asking, what is an estate plan? And I know estate plan sounds very general and kind of abstract, so let's talk about that a bit. So, an estate plan is a plan that comprehensively covers a lot of contingencies beyond just who gets what. Now, who gets what is definitely an important question, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. Estate planning covers also incapacity and disability. Who is making sure that your bills are getting paid and that your assets are being managed if you can't do that? And who's making medical decisions for you? And who could talk to your doctors just to find out how you're doing? So, an estate plan covers that piece. It also covers guardianship. So, if you're parents of a minor child and you want to make sure that you've got the short term emergency situation covered, who can be with your children overnight or for a short period if you need help? And then also, who would raise them? That would be long term guardianship. So, an estate plan covers that piece. And of course, as I mentioned, an estate plan covers who gets what. You might use a will to say that. You might use a trust. You could check out our website on what is a will and what is a trust to learn more about those things. But the important thing to note is that an estate plan is a comprehensive plan. It covers a lot of pieces from incapacity and disability to passing away to what happens after, long after that. So if you have a child who needs assets, someone else in charge of assets for them until they mature would be something you might want to think about. And what does that look like and how does it happen? So, and also what's important is the legacy component of estate planning. It really cannot be underestimated. Your family is going to remember you by the videos you leave behind, by the letters that you write, not by the bland legal documents. We need these and they need to be excellently drafted, which we do, but they're really going to care about a video or a letter or audio or photographs or that kind of thing that you leave behind. And so the legacy component is just as important, in our opinion, as the legal documents. So an estate plan covers all those aspects. So, Jacob, I hope that helped. Feel free to continue to email me, info@nicoleisrael.com. Visit my website at nicoleisraellaw.com. I said my email wrong, info@nicoleisraellaw.com. And you can also schedule using that link there. So keep sending those questions along, and I'll see you next time.